So what's up everyone, we are at the Roasterie. We are doing what is called a cupping to try to figure out the perfect Hitch Fit Blend. And so her and I have a little bit different taste buds when it comes to coffee. She likes a darker roast, I like a little bit lighter of a roast, but we are trying to...
I like the chocolatey and nutty flavors and Micah likes the flowery flavors.
Wow. Ouch. Anyway, so we're trying to find something in the middle that's going to work, and so let's try it.
Alright. We haven't got our slurping techniques down.
Oh man, this guy holding the camera right here, he is a master slurper. I like one. You're doing like three. Mm-hmm. Yep. Alright guys, we'll figure it out. Okay, now we're going to have a professional slurper. Whoa!
I can't do that.
Try it, Dee.
Okay.
Alright, really try though.
This may be the winner. I can't do it.
That was terrible.